Hey there, future innovators! Did you know that as a Kenyan student, you can access IBM cloud services for a whopping 395 days for free? That's not a typo, folks. IBM is basically saying, look, we know you've got dreams, ambitions, maybe even a startup idea scribbled on the back of a napkin. We want to help you make those a reality. This isn't one of those free trial situations where they hit you with a massive bill the moment you're hooked. Let's dive into why this is a game changer for your learning journey. Alright, so what are we dealing with here? What is IBM Cloud? Imagine a massive digital playground for tech enthusiasts. You've got your artificial intelligence swings, your data analytics slides, and your cloud computing jungle gyms. We're talking about the same tools used by some of the biggest companies in the world, and you get to play around with them. For free. For almost a year and a half. IBM Cloud isn't just throwing you in the deep end and hoping for the best. They've got tons of resources tailored specifically for students, like tutorials, documentation, and support forums. Okay, let's talk numbers for a second. Imagine you're at a buffet, right? The non-student option is like being told you have 30 seconds to pile as much food on your plate as possible. Now, the 395-day access for Kenyan students, that's like being told you have the entire evening to savor every single dish at your own pace. You can try everything, go back for seconds, maybe even invent your own culinary masterpiece. With 30 days, you're barely getting your feet wet, but with 395 days, you have the time to truly immerse yourself, to experiment, to fail and learn, and to ultimately become fluent in the language of cloud computing. If you're a Kenyan student and you're even remotely interested in tech, you need to jump on this opportunity. So you're probably thinking, okay, Trevor, 395 days is a long time. What am I supposed to do with all this access? Well, my friend, let me paint you a picture. Imagine yourself not just as a student, but as a budding tech wizard. With this extended access, you can delve deep into the world of cloud computing, mastering complex concepts at your own pace. No pressure, no deadlines, just pure, unadulterated learning. You can use IBM Cloud to build real-world projects, whether it's for your coursework, a side hustle, or even just for the sheer joy of creating something awesome. And the best part, you'll be acquiring skills that are in high demand across various industries. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trevor, this all sounds great, but are there any real-life examples of this working out? Oh, you bet there are. We're not talking about some hypothetical pie-in-the-sky scenario here. Take, for instance, a group of students from insert university name. They used IBM Cloud to develop Insert Project Description, a groundbreaking application that Insert Project Impact. These students weren't born knowing how to code like Mozart composing symphonies. They put in the work, they utilized the resources available to them, and they turned their ideas into reality. It's not just about the technology itself, but about the opportunities it unlocks. It's about empowering Kenyan students to become creators, innovators, and game changers in the tech world. Look, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I wish I was a Kenyan student again. Not for the school uniforms, mind you. But the opportunity to dive headfirst into the world of IBM Cloud for free, that's something special. This is about more than just learning how to code or build an app. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, embrace the cloud, and show the world what Kenyan innovation looks like.